Hello, welcome to this channel where you can learn English step by step. And today we are going to write a story for new English learners. Before starting, if you are new here, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will never miss out any English learning videos from this channel. Okay, now let's start writing our story. For this video, we will write about a penguin who is afraid of water. Yes, you heard it right. A penguin who is afraid of water. We all know that penguins live in the water and they can swim very well. But this little penguin is afraid of water. He doesn't know why he is afraid of water. He just feels scared when he goes into the water. Because of this, he stays on the land with other penguins. All other penguins go into the water to find food, but he stays on the land. One day, an old and wise penguin saw him and asked, "Hey, why don't you go into the water to play?" The little penguin replied, "I don't want to go into the water because I'm afraid of it." The old penguin said, "Afraid of what? You are a penguin. You should not be afraid of water. You have to go inside the water to look for food. If you don't go inside the water, you will die." The little penguin said, "I know, but I'm scared." The old penguin said, "Listen, I will come with you. And if you feel scared, just hold my hand tightly, and I will protect you." The little penguin agreed to this proposal. So both the penguins went into the water. The little penguin was feeling very scared. He was shivering. His heart was beating fast. Suddenly, a big shark approached them. The little penguin got very scared and started shaking. The old penguin saw the shark and shouted, "Hey, shark, leave us alone." The shark said, "I want to eat you." The old penguin said, "You can eat me, but please leave this little penguin. He is my grandson and he is afraid of water. If you scare him more, his life will be in danger." The shark thought for a moment and then said, "Okay, I won't eat you, but I want one of your grandsons." The old penguin said, "Here he is. You can take him." The shark took the little penguin in his mouth and went away. The old penguin shouted, "Wait, I will bring some fish for you, and you can take him back safely." The shark agreed to this proposal, and the old penguin came back. He brought many fishes and gave it to the shark. The shark ate the fishes and returned the little penguin. When the shark went away, the little penguin hugged his grandfather and said, "Thank you for saving my life." Then the old penguin said, "Now you are not scared of the shark, right? Now go and play with other penguins." The little penguin went into the water and started playing with other penguins. He was very happy to see that there were many fish in the water, and he was also very happy that now he is not afraid of water. From that day onwards, he lived a very happy life with other penguins. He played with them, ate fish with them, and never got scared of water again. Okay, now we have completed our story. If you liked it, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, if you are new here, please subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.